In this video, I will show you how to block adult websites in Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started with this, what you want to do is open up a Google Chrome browser. Google does have a inbuilt setting, so you don't need to download any third-party applications or anything like that. There is a setting already installed in Chrome, which you can change to do this. So once you have Google Chrome opened, come up to the top right-hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots to open up this menu, and from here, what you want to do is come down and click onto Settings. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto Privacy and Security. Then what you can do in the Privacy and Security section is click on to security. Once you're in your security settings, scroll down a bit until you see the option to select DNS provider, and what you want to do is click onto the drop down box, and from here you can select clean browsing, which is a family filter, and this is basically going to block out any adult websites. Once you've done that, what I would recommend doing is closing down and restarting Chrome to apply the changes, and that's going to block any adult websites on Google Chrome. So that is how to block adult websites on Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.